फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग हनी बुक टेक्स्ट बुक क्लास 8 का लेसन नंबर 2 का रीडिंग करेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत हम लोग पेज नंबर 29 और पेज नंबर 30 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 29 आपका ये है और पेज नंबर 30 ये है। Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see. Using just words and phrases, either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. This is how you can start calm blue sea. Read hearts before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. Wild and domestic animal seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety, according to eyewitness accounts. Elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas and डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर छूट गया है अंग्रेजी के कुछ सेंटेंस, जिसे मैं पढ़ दे रहा हूँ, आप अपने बुक से इसे मिला लेंगे। जू एनिमल्स रश्ड इनटू देयर शेल्टर्स एंड could not be enticed to come back out. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some यहाँ पर एक्सपोर्ट्स लिखा गया है, एक्सपर्ट्स यहाँ पर पढ़ें इसे। Experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park, but इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 29 का रीडिंग समाप्त हो गया। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 30 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 30। No animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes about an hour before the tsunami hit. People at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day refused to go and most probably saved his life. पेज नंबर 30 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। इसी के साथ लेसन 2 का रीडिंग समाप्त हो गया। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट्स करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।